With all the purchase orders in, we can now go ahead and process all of the receipts of goods. So if we go to the inventory module, we could see from a standpoint of a receiving or shipping person, we could see all the different moves of inventory that need to happen. So right now we have 4 stock receipts to make, so receiving something from outside, and we have 2 picks that are ready to transfer in full or in part. And you can also see that there are 2 of them that are not available yet, and same goes for some internal transfer. There's 1 internal transfer that's not available at this moment, and 2 deliveries. So these are the 2 orders that we have outstanding. But for now, let's go ahead and receive inventory into stock. So we'll click here. We have these 4 purchase orders. So the normal situation would be that there's some stock that arrived, right? For example, it came from Plastibin company, and we see that the PO number on it, our PO number, is number 8. So I can go ahead and search for it here. And I could see that, my list narrowed down a little bit to just the things that include an 8 somewhere in them. So there's an 8 and a warehouse stock move in here, and in here there's a PO number 8. So this is the one that we need. I'll click this and say, for example, I check the inventory that we're receiving, and it is 215 items of these things. And I will go ahead and I'll say that we got it in here. And I'll validate this. So we have now received these items into our inventory. And I'll go back to the list, clear out my filter here. And so we have 3 left. So with just 3 of them, it's easy to just click on each one of them individually. Otherwise, for example, if we do have a part number that we're receiving, so we're not sure what the PO number is, but we know what part number it is. Let me go ahead and take one from here. For example, MT 0.5, right? This is what I want to receive. I can go ahead and filter for this in here. MT 0.5 product. And I have just the one receipt that has that product in it. So I'll click on this and I can confirm that yes, this is correct. This is what I want to receive. So I'll go ahead and start processing this, except for in this case, let's say that for one of these products, this one, we didn't receive 280. We actually received 276, for example. And I'll click validate in here. And the system is now giving me a warning. It's saying that I'm processing less than what the original demand was for, and it's offering for me to either create a back order or to just say that this order is closed. So in this case, I will go ahead and say that there's no back order needed, so we don't need to expect these 4 missing bars. No back order. So and now this order is closed and done. I'll go back to the list, and I have 2 more left. I'll just go ahead and process all of them. If I click validate, I can just process the full quantity by clicking this button. And the final portable fan, we're receiving these as well. I'll validate that as well. Apply. So all of our stock receipts are done. This is completed. So now the next thing that we have available to do is our internal transfer. So we're now taking all of these goods that we just received from the shipping area, well, from the receiving area actually, into the inventory locations. So on all the shelves that we have right now, we don't have that system set up to take them to specific shelves or bins in the warehouse. We just have them all going into the same location, warehouse wing 1, and so we process all of them together that way. And once again, I can go ahead and process them one by one in the quantities that I need. I could also use a barcode scanner and scan these things, but in this case I'll just click validate and I'll process all of them together. And once again, there are some items missing here. I will just click no back order. I'll close it out. So everything is now done, everything is on the shelf.